Whispers drift across fields, where the moonlight glows and secrets yield. There the stars paint stories in the night, guided by a fairy's gentle light. Lonely woods where shadows softly play, echoes of the past in branches sway. Mystic rivers sing of ancient lore, dreams of distant realms forevermore. Oh, enchanted dreams under silver skies, echoes of the past in branches sway. Mystic rivers sing of ancient lore, dreams of distant realms forevermore. Oh, enchanted dreams under silver skies, where the magic flows and the winds arise. In this world of wonder we belong, with each heart's beating to the same old song. Castles made of wishes and of hope, in the twilight shimmering soft glow, lost in time yet found in melodies, in these whispered tales and ancient keys. Every leaf a page in nature's tome, every breeze a note on paths we roam. Hearts entwined with threads of golden hues, bound by dreams we never thought to lose. Oh, enchanted dreams under silver skies, echoes of the past in branches sway. Mystic rivers sing of ancient lore, dreams of distant realms forevermore. Oh, enchanted dreams under silver skies, where the magic flows and the winds arise. In this world of wonder we belong, with each heart's beating to the same old song. dreamers drift across fields where the moonlight glows and secrets yield. There the stars paint stories in the night, guided by a fairy's gentle light. Lonely woods where shadows softly play, echoes of the past in branches sway. Mystic rivers sing of ancient lore, dreams of distant realms forevermore. Oh, enchanted dreams under silver skies, echoes of the past in branches sway. Mystic rivers sing of ancient lore, dreams of distant realms forevermore. Oh, enchanted dreams under silver skies, where the magic flows and the winds arise. In this world of wonder we belong, with each heart's beating to the same old song. Castles made of wishes and of hope, in the twilight shimmering soft glow, lost in time yet found in melodies, in these whispered tales and ancient keys. Every leaf a page in nature's tome, every breeze a note on paths we roam. Hearts entwined with threads of golden hues, bound by dreams we never